Greetings, children. A lot of the times, children ask me which is the best book to use for start preparing for class 10th board exams for social science. I would definitely recommend Goyal's New Wave for class 10, first term and second term. This is one of the best books that I have come across. It's very comprehensive, and you can go to Goyal Books online and buy this book there. The sad part is that most of the time this book is out of stock, so keep looking out for it. In the meantime, I shall be discussing questions from this content, which are very relevant to the boards. Let's start with page 1 under concepts. The first concept is agriculture means land cultivation, which means cultivation of land. It also includes animal husbandry and fishing. Number 2, at present, in different parts of India, the types of farming being carried out are 1. Primitive subsistence farming, 2. Intensive subsistence farming, and 3. Commercial farming. Let's start with page 1 under concepts. The first concept is agriculture means land cultivation, which means cultivation of land. It also includes animal husbandry and fishing. Number 2, at present, in different parts of India, the types of farming being carried out are 1. Primitive subsistence farming, 2. Intensive subsistence farming, and 3. Commercial farming. And what does subsistence mean? Subsistence means a state of having what you need in order to stay alive, but not more. Okay, so subsistence means it can only allow the people who are tilling the land, cultivating the land to survive, not more than that. So, this is primitive subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming, and commercial farming. Here, primitive subsistence farming also means shifting cultivation or slash and burn cultivation. If you move to page 6, here the first multiple choice question is which of the following is the most important occupation of the people of India? It's very obvious, like we read, agriculture. Question 2, which of the following types of economic activity is agriculture? Primary, secondary, tertiary, all of the above. So it is a primary economic activity which you also studied in the sectors of the economy. Question 3, primary subsistence farming, known as in northeast states like Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Nagaland. The answer is Jhuming. Okay, then the next is which types of farming is practiced in areas with high population pressure on land? It is intensive subsistence agriculture. On page 7, we find another interesting question. Rice is a subsistence crop in Orissa. In which of the following states is rice a commercial crop? Now you must understand that rice is the staple diet of West Bengal and Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So obviously it is a subsistence crop for them. But in Punjab and Haryana, wheat is the subsistence crop. So rice is a commercial crop. Now let's move to page number 20. Explain the 4 features of primitive subsistence agriculture in India. The first feature is, in this type of farming, which is practiced on small patches of land with the help of primitive tools like hoe, dao, digging sticks, and family labor. The second point is then this type of farming depends on monsoon, natural fertility of the soil, and environmental sustainability. Please understand that the farmer here does not use any chemical fertilizer. Number three, it is a slash and burn agriculture. Farmers clear a patch of land to produce crops for their subsistence. And number four, when the soil fertility decreases, farmers shift to new areas, clear new forests by burning and again sowing crops. On page number 25, you've been asked, primitive subsistence farming is known by different names in different parts of India. Place the correct name besides each state. At the end of page 1, you can see that it is written in India, this primitive form of cultivation is called Bevar or Dahiya in Madhya Pradesh, Podu or Penda in Andhra Pradesh, Pemadabi or Koman or Bringa in Odisha, Kumari in Western Ghats, Valre or Valtre in southeastern Rajasthan, Khil in Himalayan belt, Kuruwa in Jharkhand, and Jhuming in the northeastern states.